I absolutely love it. Hey loves, it's Claudia and welcome back to my channel where it's always a pleasure to have you here in my universe. I do hope that everyone is well. I am filming tonight to address the issue of the single-strand knots that I have helped to create in my universe. How? Being too busy to make sure that my hair is moisturized, not sectioning it off often enough. Because even when I go to bed and wear my satin cap, I really should have my hair in sections, stretched, twisted, or braided, and I should always have my ends protected. So I came to deal with that issue tonight and to share with you how I'm going to address the issue of the fairy knots in Claudia's universe, because I do not want these knots. So what I'm going to do to start is I am going to moisturize my hair. This is the Suave conditioner in water. So this is the best moisturizer, and put this oil on it. Okay, so with this, what I'm going to do is start by moisturizing this section of my hair. See you in the morning. Good morning, loves. It's the next day, and I have slept all night with my brown satin cap and my hair moisturized and oiled. So this morning, Tuesday morning, I am going to continue this process with a cold rinse, and I am going to co-wash my hair with this product. It is Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioning Shampoo. So that's what I'm going to use to co-wash my hair. And let's see what we have going on here. The hair is still moisturized and it feels nice and damp and oily. So I rinse that out. Feels great. Okay, I'm back, and my hair has been cold water rinsed with the conditioner, the co-wash conditioning treatment from Design Essentials. And this treatment that I'm going to use for deep conditioning now for my pampering day with my hair. That's what I'll call this video, my pampering day. This is Moroccan Oils Intense Hydrating Mask. So what I'm going to do is apply this liberally. up. Yeah. Shrinkage is a blessing. You better go, girl. You better go. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Claudia, be gentle. You're rushing. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Hey loves, I'm back. And this is what happened. Before I could finish twisting this one here, my camera, my Canon 70D, fainted away. I'm going to put on my plastic cap and sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. Let me get this green smoothie and some water for my breakfast, and I will be right back. I'm back. That was the fastest 30 minutes you've ever experienced. I've got my hair conditioned, deep conditioned with that Moroccan oil intensive hydration treatment. It feels fabulous. Oh my gosh. It just feels so soft and moisturized. I love it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do in this pamper day with my hair, I am going to dust and trim my ends. Look at that. Those curls are flipping popping. So I am going to make use of my time today by not to cut my pamper day short. I'm not intending that, no. But now that I have the curls healthy, moisturized, and dusted, well, flat trimmed, they feel like no fairy knot ever existed. I will show you how much hair is down there, and I will go on and do the wash and go and shingle it. So what I'll be using is the leave-in, the Cantu Naturals Everywhere Love Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I use this. I will use this Twist Cream as my cream from Tropical Roots. Oh, I love the way this smells. It's with the new pineapple and guava. My niece gave me this one. It smells so good as my cream. And I will be using this herbal oil as my oil until I get the jojoba. So, let's get this poppin'. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. That is sensational. I'm going to now put this cream on. Oh my God, guys. I've never seen it look quite like that. I might have to finish this up off camera because this looks like it's going to be a process. And there you go. So I will be right back with this other side done as soon as I can, because this is long. See you guys in a sec. Hey loves, I'm back, and this is the final product. Moisturized, bouncy, fluffy, oh my gosh, curls. Now I didn't squeeze the excess out, not to frizz it up. So I don't mind walking out into the day. There's enough sun out there this afternoon to dry it as I move about. But this is, I would say, by far the best wash and go I have ever done. Now I don't know how long this will last. I think maybe 4 days. I don't know. But I will pineapple it at night and let you guys see it on the 4th or 5th day. I don't know if it'll make a week. It would be nice if it would make a week. This is the hair that I trimmed. No shedding whatsoever, but this is how much hair. So I'm going to get up and get in this day and run those errands and exercise. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And thanks so much for joining me. I'm all up in the top in the screen. But thanks so much for joining me. I love you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't joined the channel already, I would love for you to subscribe.